have a look at one, Strongy. Lovely timing, Strongy. It's gone in front of square. Really through very straight mid-wicket, wide mid-on. Well watched. Alright, shape it. Keep that left side round, Strongy. Yeah. Head, left shoulder at the ball. Lock them in. Well dug out. Well played. Good leave. Gone down. Went down because of the angle of your bat, Strongy. Bit bigger stride, mate. Good, well watched. It's all right. Harley, you're trying to hit that before he even bowled it. Lovely shape, Strongy, good. Keep that left elbow high, figure nines. Good. Good figure nine. Bit bigger stride again, Strongy, just getting caught in the crease a bit. I think I would like to see your figure happen back early. Maybe sometimes when you go forward, and 1, 2 forward away, right, so you can just set it a little bit earlier, head still, and set it a bit earlier. Well watched. Lovely shape, lovely shape. How does it feel, Strongy? Does it feel different? Gauge your left side. Don't worry, keep working, got a good bat on it, don't get frustrated. Just keep calm. Come here, let me just hold on.